you doing?
She's just looking here for nail designs for some reason.
Okay. Oh, thank you. 20, 40, 50, 85.
Just show this one.
Oh, no. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was just counting it. You looking for nail type?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if we should sit right here. Let's just go sit back in the front. Okay, I'm up here, okay? All right, y'all. So, We'll sit.
Oh.
I don't know why you looking for nails. I was just about to pick a. Well, I don't know why she's saying that. She not paying. So you don't need to look at those, girl. You can look at the shape of them. All you gonna need to do is pick a color out, and then for your birthday, I may get you like a design the Hello Kitty nails. But for this, you just get in a color. You see me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Let me see your face. See how it's looking. Let me see. Cause you probably looking like, I thought I was being Hello Kitty. But no, because we at this salon. We were supposed to go to my Nana girl to do the Hello Kitty ones. Because we didn't go to Nana, we here. So it's a little different.
Is it okay for her or?
Oh no, a little smaller than that.
Shorter than
Shorter,
that?
I'm sorry, shorter.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
But when I found them, they short a little bit more.
Oh, they are going to be a little short?
Yeah, when I found them, they're too long?
Yeah,
Cut down?
Long.
Cut down?
Yes.
Like this? It's okay?
Yes, that's better. Yeah, sure. I guess I see when you put them on.
Okay, what color?
You know what color,
Green?
Green? Oh, you waiting on me? Okay.
How short you want?
Okay.
Long, short, medium?
Short.
Short? Like right there, short?
Yes. That's cool. That's okay, Nana?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, that's cool. I know you wanted some longer medium, but you gotta wait, girl. We don't start there. You starting there, girl. How you gonna show me your color then, kid? I'm so sorry, Marcel was on the phone asking a question. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Who? She said no. She said no, thank you. All right. Oh, no. Yeah, no. All right. Love you too. What you think?
Go over there, wash your hands, and take a towel on the wall, okay? So what number do you want?
Oh, she can't go fast. Daddy got her some jeans. It's cold out here, y'all. We only brought shorts. Cute. Let's see the time. Cute. We only brought shorts, so she has to put on her pants. Let's not wake her up. You probably want to go on the other side, girl.
Oh, nice. That's the problem getting a regular one right there. Turn around. I was about to get her up and see all you messed up.
They messed. No, they not messed up.
He just did them. He did them.
Oh.
I was getting my nails out and I accidentally hit
Now
it.
slide them out. Slide it out. Okay, come over. She need her toe polish too?
The same color.
Alright, be careful. Go down there.
Be careful, girl. I should have let you keep one of your green, shouldn't I? Because Marty had that color green. But I had her take it off because I didn't want too many, but I should let you keep one. But it's okay. You're still pretty.
I need to move that.
No, not boost. Let me see the other. Then her toes done now.
So, I got my nails done. Did not want to get longer than me.
Y'all got the same.
What if the
Did you brush your teeth? Oh, you got some white stuff right there, but we gonna get our hair done soon, y'all. But
we getting ponytails?
Yeah, we're getting done today. But I was about to ask you. Marty, what was I about to ask you? Oh, how do you enjoy your first time getting acrylic nails?
Good, but it was long.
It was long.
I didn't like
He said overlay only, but Marty had a couple of short nails. She been growing her nails out to try to get overlays. So she ended up getting small acrylics.
And then, so talk to her? Nana, how you feel?
Oh no. Girl.
How do you feel? Oh, okay. That man funny. That man funny.
Yes, yeah. When you say.
He said, oh no.
Alright, YouTube. We gonna go. We gonna show y'all.
See you in the next.
No, we gonna show them our nails at the end. You better watch it for that hour too, because I got somewhere to go. You better watch you. I'm about to go, okay? You gotta stay here for an hour. Yeah, that's what you feel. You'll stay for an hour. Let me see. Let's see your toes. Bring them out real quick. You like them? What you think? Good? No, I remember last time I brought y'all here to this same one, remember? And it was your birthday. It was when we was here. It's been so long. You don't remember? You had to go 2 ponytails and beads.
I feel like I've been here before.
Y'all have. Yeah. I got the pictures. I'm gonna clip it on here on YouTube. Let's do this. Oh my goodness.
Hey, YouTube. My nails is done, but Nana's not.
Yeah, we still about. I don't know if I'm gonna ever just really do gel. We still do regular, so we gotta drive ours. I think Sweeter do gel. Does Sweeter do gel?
I don't know.
Go ask her, do she do gel or do she do regular?
What, the nails?
Yeah, does she do gel?
See that? Do you do gel nails or regular nails?
I do. Well, for my toes, I do regular.
She said for her toes, she do regular.
Oh, for her hand, she do gel.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
Guys, show YouTube. You see my face? Can she see my hand?
yep, you can see it. You can't. You ain't gonna be able to see it yourself. You gotta turn it back around. Yep, they can see it.
Hi, YouTube.
You silly. So y'all, let me see. Excuse my bonnet because y'all want to see my hair in this, but. So that's the only reason I had it on, because for some reason when I was asleep, it went to this side, to that side, all over the place. So we gotta have our hair appointment. I missed my last appointment, so that sucks. But hopefully I can still get the action today.
Guys, YouTube, tomorrow we doing.
Huh?
Stop your camera face.
There's your crusty lips. She needs some
What?
chapstick.
I just gave her some more Carmex. They don't look crusty no more, no. It's a little bit of crust coming off, but you just probably need one more layer of Carmex, and then I think you'll be good.
Okay, can you record me?
Record?
Yeah, record. Okay, you do. Let me have my lip gloss.
Girl. You think you just with them nails. Your hair not even done.
Mommy.
You over here thinking you all done. You don't even got your hair done. Girl, that hair is not done.
It's straight.
You think that's cute or something? It's cute because it's on you. It is cute, but our hair is not done, unfortunately. Really wear these styles. Look at that, you woke up. You didn't even brush your hair this morning.
Because I didn't have a brush.
You didn't even act.
I borrowed Granny's, okay?
Oh, you did? It's okay to borrow hers. That's cool. But you forgot that back though.
But it hurts. I did stop it.
But it's my fault because I should have brushed it good. We was trying to run. Yeah, I should have brushed it before we left out. Too busy trying to run and get here.
Guys, let's try the machine with only 5 cents.
Tell her. Oh, there she goes. See you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.